The Samsung Jet 75 stick vacuum offers a powerful cleaning performance with its intense suction capability, making it highly effective on various surfaces, including hardwood floors and carpets. This vacuum features a lightweight design, weighing only 6 pounds, which allows for easy maneuverability and effortless cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with a removable battery, it provides an impressive total runtime of up to 120 minutes, ensuring that large cleaning tasks can be completed without interruption. The innovative Clean Station empties the dustbin at the press of a button, maintaining a hygienic environment by capturing 99.99% of dust and debris. Its digital display offers a convenient way to monitor power levels, brush types, and alerts such as airflow issues or clogs, enhancing the user experience. With versatile tools like the long-reach crevice tool and combination dusting and upholstery tool, it tackles tight corners and delicate surfaces with ease.